King Abdulaziz International Airport is an aviation facility located 19 km to the north of Jeddah. Named after King Abdulaziz Al Saud and inaugurated in 1981, the airport is the busiest airport of Saudi Arabia and is third largest airport in the kingdom. Description: the airport occupies an area of 15 square kilometers. Beside the airport proper, this includes a royal terminal, facilities of the Royal Saudi Air Force, and housing facilities for the airport staff. Construction work on KAIA Airport began in 1974, and was finalized in 1980. Finally, on May 31, 1981, the airport opened for service after being officially inaugurated in April 1981. Hajj Terminal. Because of Jeddah's proximity to Islam's holy city of Mecca, the airport stands for one feature in particular, the Hajj Terminal. Specially built to handle pilgrims to take part in the rituals associated with the annual Hajj, it offers many facilities and can accommodate 80,000 travelers at the same time. Designed by the famous Bangladeshi engineer Fazlur Rahman Khan of the architectural firm Skidmore, Owings and Merrill LLP, it is known for its tent-like roof structure, engineered by Horst Berger while part of Geiger Berger Associates. 10 modules, each consisting of 21 tents of white-colored Teflon-coated fiberglass fabric suspended from pylons, are grouped together into 2 blocks of 5 modules and separated by a landscaped moor between the blocks. Only customs, baggage handling and similar facilities are located in an air-conditioned building. The vast majority of the complex, called Terminal Support Area, is a flexible, open area, conceived to function like a village, complete with souk and mosque. Not enclosed by walls, this area is sheltered from the intense sun while allowing for natural ventilation. The Hajj Terminal received the Aga Khan Award for Architecture in 1983. According to the jury, the brilliant and imaginative design of the roofing system met the awesome challenge of covering this vast space with incomparable elegance and beauty. At 5 million square feet, the Jeddah Airport Hajj Terminal is estimated to be among the world's largest air terminals after Beijing Capital International Airport, Dubai International Airport and Hong Kong International Airport. Many airlines from Muslim and non-Muslim countries have used the Hajj Terminal. Other terminals. Jeddah KAIA Airport serves as a major hub for Saudia, who originally had the exclusive use of the South Terminal. In 2007, however, the privately owned Saudi carriers Naz Air and Sama Airlines were also given permission to use it. Due to the closure of Sama Airlines, the terminal was only used by Saudia and Naz Air up until May 29, 2012, date at which Saudia Airlines joined SkyTeam. Since then, SkyTeam Airlines are also allowed to use this terminal. The North Terminal at Jeddah Airport is used by all other foreign airlines. Expansion project. The new King Abdulaziz International Airport 3-stage development started in September 2006, and is currently scheduled for completion in 2014. 3 new terminal buildings, a high-speed rail link and a capacity for up to 80 million passengers a year are among the targets proposed for a new airport. The project is designed to increase the airport's capacity initially from 13 million passengers by 30 million passengers each year. The expansion includes airfield hard standing and paved areas, lighting, fuel network systems and stormwater drainage network. There will also be a newly constructed support services building, renovation of the existing South and North terminals and upgrades to the existing runway and airfield systems to accommodate the Airbus A380. The 3 stages, according to GACAO, the General Authority of Civil Aviation of Saudi Arabia, will be marked by staged capacity increase to 30 mn/60 mn and 80 mn passengers per year. Based on current traffic increases, the existing South Terminal will need to serve about 21 million passengers per year over the next 20 years to meet growing demand. The project has reached the final stages of planning and design, and King Abdullah, the custodian of the 2 holy mosques, has approved a budget of $4 billion to build the futuristic new airport to international standards. Abdullah Al-Rihaymi, president of the General Authority of Civil Aviation, has said that the project will be built by local companies. The 3 new crescent-shaped passenger halls will be located to the south of the current international terminal, which will be undergoing renovation at the same time. Talal Sati, speaking at a presentation of the project to Jeddah, Governor Prince Mishal Ibn Majd, said that work on the improvements could start as early as this coming September. Operational capacity for the airport, he said, would increase, and denied that upgrading work would hamper traffic throughput. Work on renewing and upgrading the facilities, he said, would be timed to avoid peak traffic flow. Access to the new terminals is still in the planning and purchasing stage. An extension of Prince Majd Street will make access direct and easy. The municipality is currently investigating the location of land needed for the proposed extension and is addressing the problem of the compulsory purchase of property and compensation. Southward, Prince Majd Street will connect to the Al Layth Highway, forming a fast north-south transit route. As well as much improved road access, plans have been made for a high-speed rail link serving the airport. Starting at Prince Majd Street, the link will run into the airport and hook up with terminals, airlines and destinations. Notes 1. These flights may include a stop between Jeddah and the listed destination. However, the airlines do not have rights to transport passengers solely between Jeddah and the intermediate stop. Cargo, other facilities. The General Authority of Civil Aviation has the GACA hangar at the airport. Trolley service. The trolley service at South and North Terminals is managed and maintained by Smarty International Company, which draws its employees from foreign nations. Statistics. Over 17 million passengers use Jeddah KAIA Airport every year. Incidents and accidents. On September 25, 1959, a Saudi-arranged HZAAF Douglas DC-4 per carat 54A5 DO, crashed shortly after takeoff from Jeddah. The cause of the accident was pilot error followed by a stall. All 67 passengers and 5 crew survived. On July 11, 1991, Nigeria Airways Flight 2120, a Douglas DC-8-61, suffered cabin pressure problems followed by a fire due to a failed landing gear. The pilots tried to return to the airport but failed to reach the airport as the plane crashed, killing all 247 passengers and 14 crew. On March 1, 2004, PIA Flight 2002, an Airbus A300B4-200, burst 2 tires whilst taking off from King Abdulaziz International Airport. Fragments of the tire were ingested by the engines. This caused the engines to catch fire and an aborted takeoff was performed. Due to the fire, substantial damage to the engine and the left wing caused the aircraft to be written off. All 261 passengers and 12 crew survived. See also: media related to King Abdulaziz International Airport at Wikimedia Commons, Haramain High-Speed Rail Project. References. This article incorporates a public domain material from websites or documents of the Air Force Historical Research Agency. External links: King Abdulaziz International Airport new website, arrivals and departures, information on the GACA website for the King Abdulaziz Int. Airport Development Project, airport information for OEJN at World Aero Data. Data current as of October 2006. Source: DAFIF, airport information for OEJN at Great Circle Mapper. Source: TAFIFA, effective October 2006. Current weather for OEJN at NOAANWS, accident history for Jeddah Aviation Safety Network. 1.